Hi and welcome to the TLDR version of the previous tutorial I made. Let's get started. Add a text. Go into X-ray view, convert to mesh, add a decimate, planar, apply. Go into edit mode, hit K, Y, to snap on the Y axis, accept. Get rid of the extra edges. Now we have a much cleaner connection. Do the same on the other one. Or wherever else is needed. Select everything, extrude it as you will. Run another decimate. Collapse, reduce. Now we have less geometry. Apply. Select sharp edges. Control B, bevel, if you want to bevel. If not, don't bevel. Apply bevel, modifier from here. Shade smooth, gradient normal, triangulate, keep normals on 5.